teachers and my students. Today I am going to show you a demo class on pre-primary and primary English. So I am so excited. Please cooperate me. So let's start the English class. Okay. Good morning, students. Hello. How are you all? I'm also fine. Okay. I am Irene, your English teacher. Do you know me? Do you know me? I am Irene, your English teacher. Okay, today we will learn our English with song and so many fun. We are going to learn our lesson, and our today's lesson is lesson 1 and 2. First of all, take your book. Do everybody have this book?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? This is our English book. English for today. Please open page 36. Our today's lesson is lesson 1 and 2, and the unit is unit 18. Today we will learn some stress-based word. Okay? প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, আজকে আমরা ইউনিট 18 অর্থাৎ 18 এবং লেসন পার্ট 1 এবং 2 অনুশীলন করব। তোমরা কি বুঝতে পারছো? First of all, we can see some pictures here. Do you see?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? Can you see, Jenny? This is elephant. Can you see a blue color? We can see a blue color alphabet E. Okay, let's practice with me. E for elephant. Elephant, E. The next one is tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Can you see M-A with blue color? তোমরা কি M-A কে নীল রঙে দেখতে পাচ্ছ? আমরা নীল রং করা অংশটিতে চাপ দেব, অর্থাৎ একটু স্বর অতিরিক্ত চাপ দিয়ে উচ্চারণ করব। So let's practice with me. First, your teacher say this word, then you repeat after me. Okay? Tomato. Tomato. The next one is umbrella. The blue color is B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. And the last one is notebook. 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 Okay? Please repeat with me. Note. This is the notebook. এটি একটি নোট বই। Okay? Then in this left corner of this page we can see a poem or rhyme. Are you ready? Recite this poem with me.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want? Do you want? Do you agree? Are you excited?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's practice. Clap, clap, clap.
Clap, clap, clap.
Clap your hands with me. Listen to the music and clap hands with me. Okay, no problem. First of all, I recite the poem, then you repeat after me. Okay? প্রথমে আমি বলবো, yes?
Can I go
Sorry?
Can I go out for a little bit?
Okay. You are most welcome. So let's practice. Clap, 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 clap your hands with me. Listen to the music and clap hands with me. Move, 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 move your hands with me. Move your head from side to side and move your head with me. Do you see the color words? Yes, we can see some blue color words. When sounding this blue color, we press some stress. আর নীল রঙের শব্দগুলো উচ্চারণের সময় আমরা অধিক চাপ প্রয়োগ করব, অর্থাৎ একটু জোরে বলবো। এবার আমরা সবাই একসাথে প্র্যাকটিস করব। ওকে, ক্ল্যাপ ক্ল্যাপ ক্ল্যাপ, clap your hands with me. Listen to the music and clap your hands with me. Move, 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 move your head with me. Move your head from side to side and move your head with me. Okay. Do you have fun with this class? Okay. In our next class, we read more interesting games. Okay. Goodbye for the class. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.